Hello everyone, we're going to make this animal shaped broom. We're going to cut this green circle into half, make multiple cut on another piece of paper, roll a green craft paper, make a stick. Now we are going to combine all of them together like this. Paste googly eyes, we're going to shape it. We are drawing the smiley face of the animals and look, it is ready. You can make more such animals. Let's make colorful butterflies. So cut to a yellow circle and start folding it. We are making mini folds here like this. Now keep it aside. After this we are going to draw lines on the other circle like this. Make mini folds like we are doing here and paste both of them together and look, your wings are ready. Then take another piece of yellow craft paper, roll it and make the antennas, paste all of them and it's done. We're going to make these hopping cats using craft paper. We are folding this orange craft paper. Make mini folds, again fold it into half and start folding it from its bottom surface as well. After this we are going to fold it like we are doing here. We are going to make the box shape here. So we are going to paste all of them together and tuck the paper inside and it's done. After this we are going to give shape to the body. Now make the ears and eyes. We are going to draw it using black marker. Paste its tail and look, your hopping cats are ready. Let's make these colorful umbrellas using craft papers. So we are going to fold this mini square yellow paper from its diagonals. Fold it. Now pull it downwards and tuck the paper inside from the corners. We are going to draw smiley face on it. After this we are going to make 6 such shapes using 2 different colors and paste all of them together like we are doing here. We are also drawing different expressions here and then your umbrella is ready. We are going to roll this blue craft paper and make the stick. Combine all of them together and look, your cute little umbrella is ready. We are going to make this colorful bunny, so let's get started. We are going to fold this yellow craft paper, make a triangular shape. Again make 2 little triangles, then we are going to fold it from its bottom surface and tuck it inside like this. After this we are going to flip the paper and again we are going to fold it, make 2 triangles like this. Again open it and start folding it like we are doing here from its bottom side. We are going to make the face of the bunny here, so we are going to again give it shape and look, the ears are ready. After this we are going to blow it and draw the eyes of the bunny and look, these are ready. You can also put lights inside it and it's done. Let's make these colorful birds using craft paper. We are folding this blue printed craft paper. Fold it again, flip it and fold it from its sides. Now we're going to open it like this, flip it. Again we are going to pull it downwards and fold it similar way and fold it from its sides as well. Flip it again and fold it from its side. We are going to pull it downwards like we are doing here and again flip it and fold it. Then we are going to twist it. Here we are making the body of the bird like this and look, it is ready. In this video we are going to make these colorful turtles, so let's get started. We are going to fold this square craft paper from its diagonals. Again fold it. We are going to fold 3 pieces, one side and one on opposite side. Make a triangular shape like this. Fold it. We are going to make mini folds. Now we are going to pull all of them like we are doing here. Make the legs of the turtles, flip it. After this we are going to make the shell by folding it like this. Tuck it inside, flip it. We are going to again give it shape like we are doing here and look, it is ready. After this we are going to draw the eyes and give shape to the shell and look, your turtle is ready. You can play with it. Thank you so much for watching this video.